in today's video, I will be talking about how to request money on your PayPal account. Let's get started. First off, go to your PayPal and sign in. Once you're routed to your homepage, you can see this homepage. All right, now there are two ways that I'll be teaching you today. First is go to Actions, and in here you can see the Request Money form. All right, below you can input the amount of money that you would like to request from the person that you are requesting the money from, and also the currency here below. Now add your email or the email address of the person you're requesting money and or the name of the person. Another way is to go to quick links here. And here we can see request money. So just click on request money and it will route you to a different page. All right, so here you can request payment from. It will be best if you use this to request payment from multiple people. All right, now you can search their name, their username, email, or mobile numbers in here, and you can click on next. That's about it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.